everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm really excited to share with you my first ever haul from VIP Cross Stitch. So VIP Cross Stitch have very kindly gifted me these items and I'm super excited to have a look at them and share them with you. So if you haven't heard of VIP Cross Stitch, they are an online website store which sell all things cross stitch. So there's small ones, big ones, there's all different patterns, designs, there's bookmarks, embroidery kits, key rings, and there's also loads of accessories to like organize your threads and keep your like patterns organized. And yeah, so if you love anything arts and crafts, then you will definitely love VIP Cross Stitch. I used to do a lot of cross stitching, maybe more so when I had a bit more time, but it's definitely a pastime and a hobby that I find really relaxing, and I love at the end of it that you've got something really pretty that you could pop up on the wall or affix to a card or give to someone as a gift. I've got 4 items from VIP Cross Stitch that I'm super excited to show you. So as I said, there are loads of really lovely and different designs of cross stitch kits on the website, and I will leave their website linked below along with the links to all of the products that I'm going to show you today. And even better, I do have a discount code as well to help you get a little bit of extra money off what are already some really reasonably priced and affordable products. So if you use the code Brodie07, pop it on the screen here, that's Brodie07 at checkout, you will receive an extra 7% off everything on their website. So this is the first kit I chose. It's come in this little plastic wallet, which I feel like was going to be really useful actually to just not necessarily just store cross stitch things in, but just to store in anything once I have done this one. So I picked this Totoro kit. So if you don't know, Totoro is from my neighbour Totoro Studio Ghibli film. If you know me, you know I really love Studio Ghibli films, I really love anime films, so when I saw this on there I had to get it. I love that it's holding like this little parsnip thing as well. I think it's super cute. So what is great about VIP Cross Stitch and all of their kits is that you get everything to do the design that you pick. You don't just get a template or the pattern, you get literally everything all in one, which I think makes the prices even more affordable. So it's just got in here some like general instructions for preparing your fabric and just some general ideas of how to like look after your threads, and yeah, just general stuff. So even if you are an absolute beginner at cross stitch, you will be able to get on with this absolutely no problem. So here is the pattern itself. All of these fabrics relate to the threads, and then this just denotes the kind of like stitch you're doing, whether you're doing like a little knot or like a cross or just a line. So yeah, really super easy to follow. I think, as I said, even if you're a total beginner, you'd be able to get to grips with it. So comes with the fabric. It has also got everything printed on the fabric, so it's kind of just like a paint by numbers or like a color in by numbers, but you just have to stitch it. It looks complicated, but it's going to be super easy to follow. All of the threads get absolutely tons, so even if you like make a mistake, it's very easy to just unpick and start again, and then you just get a needle in this little packet here. So all of these numbers here all relate to the different threads here. So like I said, it's super easy to follow, and yeah, I'm just really excited to stitch my little Totoro. So the second cross stitch kit that I got has got this pig on. I thought with like Valentine's Day coming up, it seemed really cute to get this pig holding this bunch of roses, and again it's got all of the instructions just on the back of the packet. So just a real easy kind of step-by-step guide. It's got little picture descriptions of the different embroidery stitches. So yeah, super easy to follow, and as I said, you do not have to be an expert to get to grips with this. So first of all, I've got all of my threads, and again they're all like color coded and numbered to match up with the pattern, and got actually 2 needles this time with this kit. I really like this because it's really easy to like tie your threads back onto them, and you can just take off exactly what you need and they just don't get tangled up. I find when they're on here, you can just easily wrap it round to store it away. So this one here, it just looks funny like unstitched. So this is the pattern for this one, and obviously it's going to end up looking like this, and on the back we've just got a much larger picture of the pig with all the little squares laid out, so it's super easy to follow, and tells you again your different types of stitches that you need to do to complete your pig cross stitch. But yeah, I just thought this one was really cute for Valentine's. I mean, cute to like have up all year round. Again, once you've done this, you could easily cut it out and then just affix it to a card or something to give as a little gift. So yeah, I really love that one as well. They honestly had hundreds and hundreds of different designs and products on there, so it was very difficult, I can't lie, to just pick out 4. But nonetheless, I did go for this for the next one. Again, I just thought it was quite cute. I liked the design of it. I liked it was sort of like artsy, cartoony, something a little bit different. Again, like the previous one, it's got all of the instructions on the back, super easy to follow. Same like cardboard thing with the colours all colour coded and numbered, and I really like these pastel shades. These are really pretty. This is going to make a really lovely design. And again, we've got 2 needles in this one again, and this time the fabric is actually blank, so if you are an absolute beginner, then it might be worth doing the other 2 first. It does tell you in the description of the products whether the fabric itself becomes printed or not, so definitely take note of that if you are ordering from them. But we've got this really huge image to follow, so it's very easy. It's just copying this onto this. It's got all of your fabric numbers, it tells you exactly what stitches to do and where. And yeah, I just thought again this looked fun. I think writing out the text is probably going to be the hardest thing because that's like freehand, but maybe if I've done the other 2 first and got a bit more back into like cross stitching and stitching everything, that won't seem quite such a daunting task. But yeah, I really loved this teacup design. I thought it was very cute, very quintessential, and yeah, I just had to get it. And then the 4th and final set I picked up from VIP Cross Stitch is this like row of parrots. This one feels really thick, so I think this is actually going to be quite long. It has got the size of it here as well, so this might be like the final project, like the culmination of all of the cross stitching ability coming together. So as the others, it's got all of the really easy to follow instructions on the back. I do love that it's all like images as well, because sometimes it's kind of hard to follow if it's just lots of like bullet points of text, whereas the images you can see straight away whether you're going right or you're going wrong, and you can fix whatever's going on. So let me open this one up. This one has got a lot of thread, so this is going to be big set. Like we have got threads, this whole bottom side is filled, this top side is half filled, but they are all numbered and color coded and super easy to follow. I like how beautiful and vibrant these are. I think they're gonna look really nice with all of these tropical parrots, and yeah, as expected, this is gonna be a big old one. This is like, I don't know, something you can put up on the wall and be really, really proud of afterwards. I think although it's like a big set, you can obviously just tackle like each bird at a time. It's not, I say it's probably less intricate than some of the other ones because yeah, you can just focus on one at a time. The pattern itself is across 2 pages, and again it's got everything color coded. So I think although it looks quite daunting to start off with, it's very easy to follow, and yeah, you can kind of start off with each bird at a time and just work your way along the design. So that's all of the products I received from VIP Cross Stitch, and I absolutely love them all, and I can't wait to get started on my first cross stitch kit. Definitely let me know which one you think I should do first and which one was your favourites. I will leave VIP Cross Stitch's website in the description below, along with the links to all of the products that I showed you today. And don't forget, if you are interested in purchasing something from the website, to use my code Brodie07 for an extra 7% off. If you like anything arts and crafts, or you're looking to get into a new craft that's pretty simple, then I definitely recommend cross stitch as the way to go. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.